Don't put away the summer shorts just yet. The warmest day of the work week still ahead of us. We'll look at that 7 days shortly. I'll tell you, if you're going to make a trip to Yosemite over the weekend, you're going to see a lot of snow at about 5,000 feet and above. Goodness, I almost lost my jacket. I couldn't find it for like 5-10 minutes. I thought, what do I really need it for?
Who needs it?
Take it off. Irritation level for this smoke, and I think I speak for a lot of us out there. It's this high right now. You're just tired of this. Look at the visibilities. They're so far down. Canyon, of course, they saw plenty of snow. That's 5,400 feet or so, and that's where Rafer Weigel is located right now. I can still see the snowflakes falling in front of you, but they're not really big and fat like they were yesterday. It was just calm.
Did you bring the kids with you? I hope.
They're a little tiny. They don't really know what's going on.
Oh, so you just went on your own. Okay.
I'd be like, Dad, there's a bird that sounds like it hums.
Cute.
Oh, good afternoon. Here's how much we're supposed to have, so we're still way behind. This is helping, there's no doubt, but only 58% of normals. And this is a perfect situation to thrust in some wet weather. We got this upper low here. That's the pumping mechanism to get the water in here. A lot better. In fact, Denver's even at 70. That's right where we are here in Sacramento. Radar scan is very dry. So it's time for instant request. We have James on the line. Good morning to you. Oh, we lost him. That's happened every Friday, it seems. I did get the word on where he's from, though. Locally, Carmichael. Good morning, Carmichael viewers.
To travel that much when it ends and she can't sit down anymore.
No, I'm glad we're in a recession. People spending money to have their pets go to these places.
A lot of pets are going to need exercise because today they get a lot of scraps from the table.
Yeah,
that's true.
Which they probably shouldn't be.
You were just munching on our food over there, huh?
Yeah, we see. Last time I ate was 9 o'clock this morning. Honeycombs, bowl of honeycombs.
Well, you got to be starving.
I thought the food was coming out like 1 o'clock when we got here.
It came out when we're on the air, so we can't eat. But you can't.
I ate too fast.
Smell it.
Right.
If there was smell-o-vision right now, I'm telling you.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
People will be like, we got to go over to CBS 13 right now. All right, live pictures outside. Still have that persistent haze, what is left over of the fog that was so heavy this morning. A lot of it is separated now and lifted off the ground almost entirely now. How about another shot somewhere out there before we pull out those current temperatures? Thankfully, a lot of us did warm up to the 60s today because it started off so winter-like and chilly with temps stuck in the 40s for so long. 61 Sacramento, Stockton 61, 62 Modesto, 61 in Marysville. Now the humidity, the dew point, they're both pretty high. All we have to do is see the temperature fall back to 51 and the fog is going to start to thicken rather rapidly. The one thing that's going to help preclude the fog formation is the breeze, which we have around at this moment anyway, but it will die down. All right, the Titan HD radar scan, it is quiet all across here. A little band of actual clouds trying to move into our area that may help loosen up the fog a little bit too as it forms tonight. Down here in Southern Cal, of course, they had a lot of flooding over the course of the last couple of days anyway. Most of that now is starting to dry out. This is what once was our rainy weather now in the form of a little rain and snow out there around Durango, Colorado, and Denver as well. All right, there's that band of clouds again that's just going to shoot on by. Here's the general stormy systems, though. They're going to stay to our north. And once again, tomorrow, same idea. It's like a replay. More morning fog. Some of it could get a little heavy, but we don't have any fog advisories in place just yet from the Weather Service. When they put that out, it could get rather dangerous as you're traveling once again tomorrow morning, so you're going to go back home early. Those of you who are going to stick around at Grandma's house for the weekend, probably not as much fog each consecutive morning through the weekend, but still we got to watch out for because, of course, it is the fog season. Temperatures middle 60s, upper 60s. If you go to the north, less fog up there. Just pockets of fog, especially as you climb. If you get above, say, Georgetown, Pollock Pines, there isn't going to be much. Then you just have to find some of those, those valleys that are kind of embedded in some of the high country, like Truckee, for example. 54 tomorrow, 52 for South Tahoe. So modestly mild, I would say, for this time of year. The Bay Area forecast, lastly, 64 San Jose, 62 in San Francisco. They really don't form a lot of fog this time of year anyway. It's the summer where they get the big time fog. It kind of goes in reverse picture. So again, the scan is quiet out there now. It will be tomorrow. Just be on the lookout for some of that fog again. It was making things really kind of rough in the morning. I was shocked to see how much of it was around.
Go try the bread. I heard it's really good.
It is delicious.
It is? Okay, you have some time before the 5.
I'm sorry, you guys got to stay here the whole time.
It's just about 5 more minutes.
Tell me a little
Jeff.
morsel. Thanks, Jeff.
Okay.